In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Gmail account from Gmail. If you've ever borrowed a computer, switched between several inboxes, or just want to clean up the sign-in list you see on Gmail, removing an account from the browser is quick and safe. This process does not delete the Google account or any emails. It simply takes that account off the list on this browser, so it won't appear for quick sign-in on this device. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Any modern browser on a computer will work. Once Gmail loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile picture. It's the small circular avatar. If you haven't set a photo, it may show an initial. This opens the account menu where you can see which accounts are currently signed in. In that menu, choose Sign Out of All Accounts. This signs you out of every Google account that's active in this browser window, which is necessary to reach the removal controls. Don't worry, we're not deleting anything, just logging out for a moment. After a brief refresh, you'll land on the Google sign-in chooser, showing the accounts that have been used on this device. On that chooser screen, select Remove an Account. You'll usually find this option near the bottom of the list. When you click it, the page switches to a removal view and you'll notice a red dash or minus icon appear next to each saved account. Now click the red dash icon beside the account you want to remove. A confirmation prompt may appear to make sure you really want to do this. Go ahead and confirm. The account immediately disappears from the list on this browser. Again, the account itself remains intact online. You're only clearing it from this device's saved sign-ins. If you ever need it again, choose Use another account on the sign-in screen and enter the credentials to add it back. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you share this computer, remove any accounts you don't want others to open, and consider also clearing the browser's saved passwords for extra privacy. And if you were signed into multiple accounts, repeat the remove action for each one you no longer need listed. That's it. You've successfully removed a Gmail account from Gmail in your web browser. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.